Hi, I am going to discuss with you the problem on development. The problem is like this: a hexagonal pyramid of size 35 mm and altitude 65 mm is resting on HP on its base with two of the base sides perpendicular to VP. The pyramid is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP and is intersecting the axis at 30 mm above the base. Draw the development of the remaining portion of the pyramid. Okay. See, first here I am going to draw the top view and front view of the hexagonal pyramid. Okay. When you are looking from the top of the pyramid, the top view looks like as a hexagon. Okay, then it is on HP. Okay, it is on HP is there, then it is placed on HP with see what is given, how it is placed on HP: base sides perpendicular to VP. Okay, two of the base sides perpendicular to VP. Okay, we make it two base sides perpendicular to VP, that is nothing but resting on edge. Okay, see, first I want to draw the construct the hexagon with circle method. Okay, first I have drawn here circle. See, any one of the side is perpendicular is there, that is vertical is there, draw vertical diameter. Then after this I take 35, length of the side is 35 is there, cut the circumference of the circle like this. Now you join all the points of the circumference, you will get the regular hexagon. Okay, the length of the side 35 is given. The length of the side is 35. See, two of the side bases perpendicular to VPR, that is nothing but perpendicular to XY line. Then after I want to name the all the corners of the base, corners of the hexagon: A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, after name the all the corners of the base, I want to mark the axis point, that is the middle of the hexagon, that is nothing but center point of the circle itself is there. Okay, just you draw the diagonals, by joining the opposite corners you will get the intersection point. That intersection point is the axis point. Okay, this is the axis point. I will give name as vertex point name is O1, base axis point name is O. Okay, then you project all the points of the top base to XY line like this, you project. Okay, then after you draw the axis, how much is the altitude is nothing but length of the axis, how much, 65. Draw the axis 65. See here 1, 5 are there, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Draw the axis. Okay, draw the axis, that is nothing but alternate large and shorter lashes. Then after you join all the points project up to XO line here. Join all the points with a thin line. First you draw with thin line. All the slant edges are thin line. Okay, then see, when you are observing here, this is also continuation line. Since at the same line there are three edges are there here. 1, 2, 3. There are three edges are coming on the same lines. Okay, I want to give the name of the front view. How to give the name of the front view? Here is the observer. Okay, A, B, C are visible. F coincide with A, E coincide with B, D coincide with C. Okay, now I will give name A dash bracket F dash, then B dash bracket E dash, then also O dash axis point. Okay, then C dash bracket D dash, C dash bracket D dash, then this is the O1 dash. See, then after drawn the top view and front view, draw the section plane. Okay, see here where cut the pyramid that is given. The pyramid is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, and is intersecting the axis at 30 mm above the base. Okay, there are two conditions are there. One is intersecting the axis, that is nothing but cut the axis at 30 mm above the base. Okay, first I want to mark the point on the axis, the point which is from the base 30 mm. Okay, see, total length of this axis is how much? 65. Total length of the axis is 65 is there. Total length of the axis is 65. This is 65. Then I want to mark the point on the axis from the base. From the base, how much? 30. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 here. Mark the point 3. And 2 HP, 30 degree to HP is there. Draw the one horizontal line that is parallel to XY line. Parallel to XY line. Draw horizontal line which is parallel to XY line. Now use the protractor. Take 30 degree with respect to this horizontal line, with reference to this horizontal line. See, this side you measure 30 degree. 30 degree, and I think we know the how to represent the section plane, that is alternate dark and so that is the chain type line, alternate large and shorter dashes, that is the chain type line. Okay, then after at the end we have to make it dark. This is the representation of the section plane. Okay, see, this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Then after draw the section plane, locate the section points in the front view. Okay, see, what is the meaning of section points? The section points are the points at which the section plane intersect or cut the edges or pieces of the object. Okay, see, this is the section plane. Cut the edges here, cut the slant edges here, and cut the slant edges here, and cut the slant edges here. Then how many section points are occurring? We should know that. See, here the section plane cut this slant edges here. How many slant edges are there? There are 2 slant edges are there. Hence here there are 2 section points are occurring. Then here actually there are 3 edges. One is O1 dash, B dash, O1 dash, E dash, and another one is O1 dash, O dash. Okay, on O1 dash, O dash, this is the axis. On axis there is no section points are occurring since it is imaginary line. Then here only 2 section points are occurring. Okay, then here there are 2 edges, and here also 2 section points are occurring. Totally 2, 2, 2. Total 6 section points are occurring in the front view. I want to number the section points. Okay, if you want to number the section points, we should consider the top view, where you should start the unfolding of the side of the base. Okay, see, I start here. Okay, O1A, I will give section point name 1. Section point name 1. Okay, one section point on O1A. Where is O1A in the front view? Here. Okay, on this O1 dash A dash, this is the section slant edge. On this section point is here, that is O1 1 dash. Then come to next 2 on O1B slant edge. Okay, where is O1B? O1 dash B is here. On this section point is here, that is 2 dash. Then come to 3 on O1C. Okay, where is O1C? See here, O1C. See, just to move like this, then you know that. Okay, O1 dash C dash, this is the slant edge. On this section point is here, this is 3 dash. Then 4 on O1D. Okay, where is O1D? Same slant edge, show the O1 dash D1 dash. This is the 4 dash. 2 section points. 3 on O1 dash C dash, 4 on O1 dash D dash. Okay, then come to 5 on O1E, that is nothing but this slant edge, 5 dash. Then 6 on O1F. Where is O1F? Here, this is the 6 dash. Okay, 1 section point on O1 dash A dash, 6 section point on O1 dash F dash. See, like this we have to mark the section. But after marking the section points, we should show the which portion is removed portion and which portion is retained portion. The portion which lies in between the, here is the observer, which lies in between the observer and section point, that portion is the removed portion. We assume that portion is the assumed. Okay, this portion is lies in between the observer and the section point. We assume this portion is the removed portion. We will show this removed portion as thin line, and below portion of the section planes we consider as a retained portion. We have to make it dark. Okay, see this retained portion, we have to make it dark. Then we know the difference of the which is thin removed portion and retained portion. See, now it is clearly we can show this is the removed portion and this is the retained portion. Okay, see, after marking the section point, we should identify the true length of the slant edge. Okay, which is the true length of the slant edge in the front view? See, how do you know that? See, we should observe or check the slant edges in the top view. Okay, we have to check it, any one of the slant edge is horizontal is there or not. Okay, by observing top view, none of the slant edges are horizontal. Hence, none of the slant edges in the front view are in true length. That is nothing but there is no horizontal line in the top view and there is no true length of the slant edge in the front view. Then what you do? Okay, to find the length of the slant edge, rotate one of the slant edge in the top view to make horizontal. Okay, for example, see here these are all slant edges, O1A, O1B, O1C. Okay, see, all these slant edges are not horizontal. Okay, I want to make it any one of the slant edges horizontal. Draw one horizontal line, passes through this axis point. Okay, now after this I want to make it this O1C slant edge, it is inclined is there. I want to make it this slant edge as horizontal. See, like this, rotate. Okay, now up to this horizontal. Now this slant edge is the moving like this. I mark it this point as C1. Okay, after that you project this C1 up to this XY line. Then after you join O1 dash to, what is the name of this point? C1 dash. Okay, this point is the C1 dash. Join O1 dash to C1 dash. This is the true length of the slant edge. Okay, this is the true length of the slant edge. True length of the slant edge. I will write it this length as R, this length as simply I will write it R, okay, or you can write the length of this slant edge as how much is the you measure and write it. Simply I write it this length of the slant edges are R, okay na, R. Okay, after draw the true length of the slant edge, second is I want to develop the all the surface of the hexagonal pyramid by using the radial line method of development, since the solid is a pyramid. Okay, in radial line method of the pyramid, okay, now I want to draw the one horizontal line. Okay, first I will mark it here. This point is nothing but vertex point O1. Draw the one horizontal line. Or you can draw in any position or in any angle. Okay, just I will draw the one horizontal line here. Then this horizontal line I will mark the length of the true length of this slant edge here. This is the true length of this slant edge. I mark it here from here to here. Okay, see I start the unfolding here at A. I write it this name as A. After draw the arc, O1 is the center, O1A is the radius, that is the true length of the slant edge is the radius. Draw the arc like this. You should draw the arc. Okay, after drawing the arc, measure length of the side. How much is given? 35. Measure length of the side is 35. Okay, mark the or cut successfully this arc starting from A. Okay, length of the side is 35 is there. Cut the successively, see like this, B, C, D, E, F, then again A. Okay na, again A. Now I will give name A, B, C, D, E, F, again A. You join all the points to O1. Okay, then after you mark the or transfer all these section point to the corresponding edges, but you measure all the length of this slant edge with respect to true length of this slant edge. Hence you project all the length of this slant edge to true length of this slant edge like this. You project up to true length of slant edge. This is 1 and 6. You write it here 1 dash and 6 1 dash. Okay, these 2 points. Then you transfer here. Then this point is the, what is the name, 2 1 dash and 5 1 dash, and 3 and okay, 3 and here 3 1 dash and 4 1 dash. Okay, all these section points with respect to measuring on the true length of the slant edge, mark on the corresponding edge, corresponding slant edges. Okay, see how do you draw? Measure the length from the vertex to here 1. See 1 and 6. See here like this. See 1 and 6. Okay, now 1 and 6 on same length. 1 on here O1A, 6 on O1F. Okay, here O1A, O1A and O1F, and one more O1A is there. What is the name of these section points? 1 6 1. Next you measure the section points here. Okay na, here how many? 2 and 4. 2 lies on O1B, 5 lies on O1E, O1B where it is here, and O1E. Okay, these points are, this is point number 2 and this is point number 5. Then 3 and 4. Okay, measure distance from 3 and 4 here. 3 on O1C and 4 on O1D. 3 on O1C, 4 on O1. Okay, this is the 3 and 4. Okay, join all the section points by straight line and also with dark lines. Okay, then after, see, this is the retained portion. Join base edges and also A1 to A1, you make it dark, and this oh sorry, here 1 is there, then you dark this also, you make it dark. Then after, join A to B with a dark line. These are the edges of the base. B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Okay, then this is the development. You dark slant edges in the retained portion. This is the development. Okay, this length how much is given, you should measure the length of the true length of this slanted, how much is given, you measure, then you write it here. Just I will write it here R, write it here R. Okay, see, this is the development of the hexagonal pyramid. Thank you.